This video from shopstuff.co.uk will demonstrate how to change your SEG1 Casio cash register from printing in journal mode to receipt mode. So on this till at the moment, we pop a sale through, sale process is fine, but the receipt is not coming out the front of the machine and it's going onto the spool, so it's in journal mode. To change this, the first thing to do is turn the PGM key around to the PGM position, then press number 1 followed by subtotal, and then press number 1 again, this time followed by CH. You can now see on the printout that the printer is set to receipt mode. So you can turn the key back around to the register position, and now the next thing to do is to get rid of the spool. Peel off the paper, remove the spool, tear off the paper, pop the printer back into place, the printer casing back into place, and now we're back in the reg mode. So the next sale we pop through, hopefully we'll get a receipt printout. There we go. For more information on this and other Casio cash registers, please visit shopstuff.co.uk.